Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on noise cancelling for your Sony WH-1000XM5. So there's actually a few ways you can do it, and the first one and the most simple one is to press the noise cancelling button on your headphone, and it's located right here on your left headphone. You can see the left right here, and the button is this one, NCAMB. So you press it until it changes to the noise cancelling. The second way is to open your Sony headphones application on your smartphone. You can download it for free on Google Play Store. Click on the sound. Here you can see the ambient sound control. You'll need to press on this arrow right here, and now we're in the noise cancelling mode. But for you it might be disabled, so you'll need to press this arrow, go for noise cancelling, and that way you'll enable noise cancelling. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.